how you can record your iPhone screen using Screen Studio. So all you're gonna have to do is to connect your USB cable from a Mac to your iPhone like this. Make sure it's plugged in and open your Screen Studio, and down here you can see icon device. Make sure that your iPhone is unlocked. Click on device and here choose the device or the name of your iPhone. I want to click iPhone. Here you can see some instructions. Unlock your iPhone before you click start recording. Mine is already turned on and unlocked. And tap trust this computer if asked on your device. Then simply click start recording. And now my Screen Studio is screen recording my iPhone screen. I'm gonna show it to you if I stop recording my iPhone, and this is the result how it's gonna be visible. You can also customize here the layout, the padding, also the background color like you want. So every time you want to screen record your iPhone, you need to be plugged in via cable to your Mac or MacBook. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.